fiery guy, Josh Allen. One of the things that they really like about him.
He loves what they've been able to accomplish with offensively with him leading the way the past few weeks.
Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Need it, John! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Come on!
Heaving one towards the end zone, incomplete, but a flag.
Thank you.
And the Bills are looking at 1st and goal from the 1-yard line.
Right, Eddie! What's that?
Bills down 6-0, but threatening here. Allen looks into the end zone, plenty of time. Now he cocks his arm, runs to his right. He may keep it himself. Into the end zone, he goes! Touchdown! Touchdown! Josh Allen does it yet again!
A lot of defenders don't realize how fast he is. He can give you a little move, and once he gets a step on you, he's running right by you.
You seeing things good?
Yeah.
You're doing a really nice job. Making good decisions, letting it rip.
There's 3:42 left to play in the 3rd quarter, and the Bills trail by 6. They're going for it. On 4th and 2 from the Lions 13. Trying to dive for the first down. He loses the ball. Loose ball at about the 13-yard line. Big scramble for it there. Josh Allen was hammered down to the ground by A'Shawn Robinson, and he chopped the ball out. Josh Allen coughed it up.
We'll continue to be aggressive. Okay?
So I can't tell you
Just be smart with the football.
Brian Daboll, their play caller, he's going to continue to take some shots.
That last drive's on me. We gotta get points out of it. That's on me. Right, Eddie!
Another chance for the Bills here, down 13-7. Allen a deep drop, letting the routes develop. Floating one! Foster inside the 5, in for the touchdown!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
The Bills are going to get away from here with a 1-point victory over the Detroit Lions.
Hey, congrats, man. Played your ass off. Good job.
Stay out
All
the
right?
rest of the season.
You too, buddy.